Hello guys, welcome to Morningstar. In this video, we'll be discussing about a stock named IRB Infrastructure. You can see the name of the stock here. It is IRB Infrastructure. The date is the 3rd of March. So this stock has been in our watch list for some time now. I'll explain the reason behind this trade, the logic behind this trade. Okay. You can see here that this stock we have drawn this trend line here. You can see that the stock has taken multiple rejections at the trend line at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rejections. The stock was never able to close above that trend line when it comes to the day time frame. You can see the same here. It's a day time frame. The stock was unable to close above this particular trend line. At the bottom, it has taken multiple supports along this trend line. 1, 2, 3, 4 supports at the bottom. And now, how do we enter the stock? So we will wait until the stock closes above this trend line. Okay, we'll wait and watch until the stock closes above this trend line with a bullish candle. A bullish candle is something that looks like this. There shouldn't be a big wick at the top. It can also be a candle that looks like a hammer or a pin. So once it breaks this trend line and closes above, you can wait for a retrace. Once the retrace happens, you can enter, you can buy the stock. So let us assume if you are entering somewhere around 116 rupees. Where do you exit the trade? As you can see, at this particular point, the stock was unable to close above this point, right? So this is exactly where we'll exit. You can draw a horizontal line there, let it be there. Now, assuming you are entering the stock at somewhere around 116 rupees, you'll be able to ride the stock until this point, which is 132 rupees. That is a return of 14%. I expect that this stock will give such a return in a very short duration, but let us see. So I think this is a good stock to keep in your watch list. You can keep an eye out for the stock and you can enter. Alright, so this is the 1 day time frame. If you switch over to the 1 hour time frame, you'll be able to see that the stock has given a false breakout on the 20th of January here. You can see the date here below. It's the 20th of January at 11:15 a.m. It has given a false breakout. So how do you avoid a false breakout like this? It's pretty simple. You switch over back to the day time frame. Look at the candle that was painted on the 20th of January. You'll be able to see that there's just a wick here. Still on the same day, on the 20th of January, even though it broke out in the 1 hour time frame, for the day time frame it was unable to close above this trend line. So that is why we have not entered here. So we will wait until this trend line gets broken by a day candle, and then once it's broken, you'll be able to see some candle like this here. Okay, you'll be able to see some candle like this here. You should be able to see such a candle in the day time frame as well. After that, it will take a minor retrace. It will take a minor retrace and go up. So you can enter somewhere around here when it shows some sort of bullishness. Bullishness may be a pin candle like this, or a hammer candle, or a bullish candle like this. That is where you enter. Okay guys, so that is where you enter, and like I told previously, the exit is here. You can see this is pretty much achievable by the stock. You can see this good momentum here while it's bouncing back from this trend line. If you enter somewhere around 116 rupees like I told, you'll be able to exit at 132, 133 rupees. That's 14% return guys. So keep an eye out for the stock. Also, as a disclaimer, I would like to tell you, I'm not a professional trader. I'm not a qualified trader or an investor. I'm a trader just like you. So I created this channel basically to discuss about interesting stocks that I come across. Okay, so you can keep this in your watch list. This is not a recommendation or a call of any sort. I just wanted to share this information with you guys. So if you find my videos interesting, please leave a comment below, or else you can also follow this channel. Thank you.